So today is Sunday and I am doing a Sunday reset for this video. So I'm just going to be cleaning up because I'm always talking about cleaning up, but I really mean it. Like when the week is over, I always want to make sure I start off with a clean week. So y'all gonna see me clean this whole place because it's unorganized. It's not super filthy, but it's not where it needs to be. So clean with me. Let's go.
Just know that you won't never have to wonder. I will never get caught up pulling with all these other drugs. That's not my motive. I'm way too focused. If you ever get too unruly, know that I'm on one tour. Can't keep composure, and that's why I fucks with you. Just know that you won't never have to wonder, yeah. Yeah, it's just you. Just know that you won't never have to wonder. I will never get caught up pulling with all these other drugs. That's not my motive. I'm way too focused. If you ever get too unruly, know that I'm on one tour. Can't keep composure, and that's why I fucks with you. Just know that you won't never have to wonder, yeah. Yeah, it's just you. I'm riding. Just know that you won't never have to wonder. I will never get caught up falling with all these other girls. That's not my motive. I'm way too focused. If you ever get too unrolling, know that I'm on one tour. Can't keep composure, and that's why I fucks with you. Would you take a bullet to the chest for me? I need to know if you're riding, I'm dying. I promise you won't never have to wonder. You're dying, I'm riding. Just know that you won't never have to wonder. Why? Late night on the ride home, wishing you were mine. Glowing neon red with feelings I deny. More than just a friend, I'm ready to ignite, ready to ignite. Goosebumps every time I try to catch your eye. Hold me in suspense and take me by surprise. I'm so high on the smoke, you blow into my mind, blow into my mind. I can't explain it, caught up in your heat wave. Driving me crazy, got me burning in flames. Obsessing in secret, I'm in over my head. I can't explain it, can you feel the heat wave too? Can you feel it? All my silent questions linger in the dark. Like when you're falling asleep next to the girl in your sheets, do you ever think of me? Oh, my head is spinning too fast. Always want the one you can't have. I can't explain it, caught up in your heat wave. Driving me crazy, got me burning in flames. Obsessing in secret, I'm in over my head. I can't explain it, can you feel the heat wave too? All my pride's hard to swallow. Sleepless nights are overflow.
I'm finished making my bed. I also washed my sheets and blankets, but I didn't want to show y'all that because where I wash my laundry downstairs, it just doesn't look that good. But the bathroom is nice and clean, and I've been working on my apartment for some hours now, and that is the final look. And I'm just loving everything. I'm glad I was able to clean everything because Thursday is my birthday, and I do not plan to be cleaning up everything. I'm making some tea, as y'all see, but y'all, I want to be completely ready for the week, and I'm just loving everything that I did, and I got everything back to normal.